Hello everyone, this is Miss Mayo and this is a tutorial on how to use Gale in context. So this is the science database that we have available here at the high school. For those of you who are joining us at home, you would need to sign in. The sign in is going to be Rutherford HS. So your screen's going to look a little bit different. It'll just prompt you to put in the code. So once you're here, you're going to see there's a couple of tools that are available. The first one is going to be the simple search. Then you have advanced search. So this is going to be if you have more terms that you would like to use, or if you're looking for a specific document type. And then you could actually browse different topics. So there's going to be 3 different ways to search. I'm going to show you guys today how to do a simple search because that's what you're going to be mostly doing. So my keyword is going to be sodium bicarbonate. And sodium bicarbonate obviously is a scientific term for Alka-Seltzer. Now, just note that you don't just have to use sodium bicarbonate. You can use different terms. You can try typing in Alka-Seltzer and seeing what comes up. You can try to type in sodium bicarbonate and temperature, sodium bicarbonate and vinegar, just to see what information you have available. Um, what I recommend that you do with your keywords is that you start off pretty broad. So I start off with sodium bicarbonate. And if I'm getting a lot of results, then I should be narrowing it down. So I should be adding other terms. So I might add sodium bicarbonate and temperature, for example. So the first thing you're going to see once you get your results is everything is divided by content type. There's going to be a lot of different types of content in here. For this particular project, I think you should focus on reference. So that's going to be encyclopedia entries and academic journals. Those are going to be news articles that are published by scientists that have been vetted by other scientists. So this is going to be a little bit more challenging. So once you scroll down, you can actually filter your results. So since you're not really worried about the publication date, you can just start reading. Once you're in the section, you're going to see that each article has different information that's provided. This is going to help you decide which one to open and actually bother to read. So you're going to have your title, your author, where it's from, so that's your source, and then it gives you the publication date. This tool where it says topic overview, this is nice because it gives you a sense of what the article is about, and then it gives you just the introduction to the article. So as you scroll down, you're going to see that each one of these pretty much has the same format. So I'm going to click on reference. And I'm going to click on the first one just so you can see what the articles look like. So once I open that up, this is an article. This is what you would be using in order to cite your sources for your introduction for the lab. On the top, you have the same information, the author, the date, where it's from. And so in order to see if this is something that you should be using, right, so you're evaluating your source, you can click on any of these. So I might click on Lewis Gottlieb and see that he's a scientist, right? So then he is credible. I might click on this and find that the Gale Encyclopedia of Science is a credible source as well. So as you scroll down, there's a couple of things that I want to show you. Once you find an article, once you select an article, there's some tools that you can use in order to save it. The citation tool is going to be really important. So the citation tool is what you're going to be using in order to give credit to the author. This is a requirement for your lab. The APA 7th edition is the one that you're going to be using. My suggestion is that you either copy and paste this or save it to Google Drive. The other thing that would be helpful is the send to. So if you want to save this directly to your Google Drive so that you don't lose it, that's also a good idea. Or if you just want to simply get the link, this is a static link. A static link means that this is something that is pretty much stable. The one on the top is not a static link. So when in your introduction where you have to share your article, those two things are the ones that we're looking for, either a link through your Google Drive or your direct static link that you can find up here. The last tool that I want to show you is the Explore section. This is where you're going to find other articles that are similar to this one. So this might help you find more than one. If you have any questions, please let us know.